Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can power off the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. And I think you've realized it already. After a major update, you can't use the power button as usual, because if you long press here the power button, you wake up Gemini with, so the Google Assistant. But how to power off the phone? For that you will need next to the power button now, the volume down button. So long press these both buttons together and then you're here finally at the power off menu. So just confirm a power off and again a power off and the phone will turn off. There's a second way to power off the phone. For that, just scroll down here below the battery symbol. So then you're here at the new control center, and a part of this new control center is here the symbol to power off the phone. Just tap here, then you're here as well at the power off menu, confirm twice on power off and the phone will turn off. But there's a way to set up the power button, or the side button as Samsung has renamed it, as a real power button. Let me show you how you can do this. So just scroll down here below the battery symbol. Then tap here now on the symbol for the settings. Now you need to scroll down to the point Advanced Features. And you will find the point Side Button. And you can choose what should happen if you long press this side button. Actually, we are waking up the Google Assistant, so Gemini with. But in the future, we want to have the power off menu. Just tap here. And that means whenever you long press now the power button, you are immediately at the power off menu as before. Just confirm power off, again a power off, and the phone will shut down. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.